How you feel about DT?
Bitch ain't got nothing to say about it.
Rico, how you feel?
Yo, what the fuck is a DT, son? I do not even know you niggas, son. Y'all not blood, y'all not 7, y'all ain't shit. I don't know y'all, son. And I'm Haas. I bet you know me. I bet you know
Put the camera on my face. Put the camera on my face. This is Hustles. That's Hustle. Y'all say y'all know who nigga is? This is Hustles.
You know him.
I told y'all niggas to put that guap up.
That money, that moolah.
Y'all was scared. You know what I'm saying?
Money.
Cause I'm too nice for a nigga.
I got you.
You know what I'm saying?
Look. First off, fuck you niggas and everything y'all claim. Charles, you know me, son. You should do ringtones up the block, son. That was, and niggas wasn't paying you in the hood. Like, D, come on. You was the dirtiest nigga. So you see me, son? You see me, dog? Do you see me?
Yeah, that's some fly shit right there.
Do you see him? Do you see him? Do you see him?
We some fly
money,
niggas, man.
We getting money. Y'all niggas is
I guess how this sour too.
I mean, I seen y'all video. What nigga wear a wife beater?
Wait, I got something. Wait, I got something for niggas. Matt,
winter. That's
I'm coming to Matt too. Son, Matt used to wear spikes in your head, dog. Used to wear little blonde hair with pink shirts. Your homie told me about that. I ain't even know that much. Oh, wait, I got something for that too. I got something for that too. Wait, Tom. Hey, yo, Matt. Tell your wifey I said call me too, man. You know she like me, blue-eyed baby.
Look, bitch, niggas already know who the fuck this is. This is boy Casper, Black Casper, above average all fucking day. So watch your motherfucking mouth when you talk to a motherfucker above average, nigga. Cause that's me too. That's my nigga House. That's my nigga Juice. That's my nigga Reek. That's everybody, motherfuckers. Y'all better watch your motherfucking mouth, man. Look, I don't even know you. But from when I heard, it's a bitch slap that I owe you.
Hey, we got the whole 7 gang behind us, baby.
7 gang.
We got the whole 7 gang behind us.
How can a nigga get in the booth?
Sounded like this.
Like, all I'm saying is, man. All I'm saying is, man.
It's not good to say retarded.
What's a DT, man? Nothing, man. We getting money and moolah, and that's it. Cut that, man.
So y'all niggas got beef with a nigga with Down syndrome and a white boy. A-game the fuck up.